Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert a line under a paragraph in Word. Let's start by opening the Word file. Place the cursor at the end of the desired paragraph. After that, click on Borders and select the Borders and Shading option. In this window, check the box. In Style, select the type of line to use. If you want, you can set a color and width for the line. After this, in Preview, leave only the bottom line active and confirm that in Apply To, there is the paragraph option. When you click OK, you will see the line below the paragraph in your document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.